Welcome to our channel, where we provide you with helpful guides and tutorials to enhance your experience with X. In today's video, we will guide you through a full tutorial on how to view the likes of someone's X account. If you want to explore the content that an X user has liked, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open X on your device. You can find the X app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Once you're in X, navigate to the account you want to see the likes of. You can do this by searching for the account or by following them if you're not already connected. Step 3. On the profile page of the account you're viewing, look for the View Drawer or a similar option. Tap on it to access additional features and sections. Step 4. Within the View Drawer, you should find an option labeled Likes or a similar term. Tap on it to proceed. By following these simple steps, you can easily view the likes of someone's X account and get insights into the content they have appreciated or found interesting. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to view the likes of someone's X account. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and guides.